Hello YouTube and welcome to a new Techsloth video. I've got here the brand new Samsung Galaxy S9, originally boxed and still sealed. This is the European version with the Exynos SoC, not the Qualcomm 845. And as we know from previous generation and years, the Exynos should be better in terms of battery performance, at least. Maybe a little bit power under the hood as well, but battery life is a little bit better on the Exynos devices, so on previous years. So here we got it. It's a black version, it's dual, so dual SIM card are possible. On the back side you get not all the specs, you get some information about the cameras. And yes, the main question I hear these days about the brand new Samsung Galaxy S9, does the normal S9 get also those features with the two apertures? Yes, it does. So we got f1.5 and 2.4. This is a feature that both devices got, and only the big S9 Plus got the second camera on the back side for this twice zoom thingy. And the 6 GB of RAM, and here are only 4 GB of RAM. And of course you get the differences in screen size and battery life and battery capacity and. But now let's open up the device and have a quick look on this really sealed, still sealed. I'm always excited if I get a brand new version here. So we open it up, there we go. We pull this down and here we go. So there we go. And now we got, there we go, the European SIM card only, not all the time. You only need a European SIM card to activate this. After that, you can use every global SIM card. Oh, look, a 6S. No, it's an S9. So you can, first you need the European SIM card, and then you can put in an Asian SIM card and. So we open it up, and we see the Samsung Galaxy S9 box. Oh, there it is. It's a black version. And let's get it out here. There we can pull it out. Nice. And it's not way smaller, but after a couple of days I spent the MWC in Barcelona with the S9 Plus. Now we got the smaller version here. Way more handy, yes, but still I didn't have any problems with the bigger brother version. So let's see, what else do we got in the box? We got our SIM card tray tool. We got a quick starter guide. That's it. No stickers and no case. But therefore we get a couple of other things. We get an USB Type-C to OTG, to a normal standard USB port adapter. We also get a micro USB to USB Type-C adapter so that you can reuse your old micro USB cables with the new S9. We got our 15 watt charger with a normal USB port. If I could get it out of here. There we go. So, normal USB port. It's 9 volt, 1.67 amperes, so 15 watt. And the last things, of course, we get a black USB Type-C cable. We get the AKG headset and different earpieces as well. So that's it. Nothing more is in the box in the smaller version than in the S9 Plus version. So exactly the same. Quick look around the device. On the right side we get our on-off button, which I can operate with my right thumb and with my left index finger as well. On the left side we get the Bixby button, which you can't out of the box use for anything else than Bixby, but there's an Android app out there that you can remap the button, maybe for the Google Now Maps. I can reach the volume down button and the volume up button as well with my right thumb and with my left index finger as well. Oh, this is nice. The buttons are positioned nicely so that I can operate every button without that I have to move the device in my hand or use my second hand or the other hand. On top we get a microphone, we got our SIM card tray up here, and down here we still got a headphone jack. The S9 still got everything. It's IP68 waterproof. We got wireless charging, and we still got a headphone jack. And we can put in a micro SD card if we want to, or a dual SIM, but not both at the same time. So either micro SD card and one single SIM, or dual SIM cards. USB Type-C, another microphone and a speaker, and yes, Samsung has improved the speaker. We now get dual stereo sound out of both S9 devices. And on the back side, the fingerprint scanner has moved down here so that it can be reached more easily. And the 12 megapixel main camera on the back side. So this is it. First impression, nice device. I'm not expecting to see any performance differences in comparison to the bigger device. It also got the super slow motion function. I don't think we will notice the 2 GB of RAM difference here. The only thing we will notice is the difference in battery life. But this is it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.